spider webs. I don't fancy leaving my baguette there. See if I'm going for. Bricked off.
Welcome to the Umbrella.
Welcome to another video. So I'm in Waterfoot today. See behind me. We're looking at the memorial ground today, Tricketts Memorial Ground, because there's some air raid shelters there or something. So I just want to, I don't know if they're accessible or what, but I just want to have a look to see if we can get inside. I'll show you around Waterfoot really, because it's really nice around here. I said that in my last video when I was at Stubley Park. Let's see if we can cross over here. Ooh. So this area is absolutely beautiful for history, and obviously someone told me a story like there was many people moved here in the Cold War or something. I don't know if that's true. So I was saying about the people being moved to this part of the country when there was a Cold War or something. I don't know if that's true. So there must have been air raid shelters. So this is what I've come to the conclusion. I can't even fucking say my words. This is what I've come to the conclusion. It's like where are the air raid shelters? And this is where I think they are at Tricketts Park. But Tricketts Park was named after Sir Henry Trickett. That's why it's called Tricketts Park. So we'll go to Tricketts Park and have a look around. I've never been, so I don't know. I don't know anything really, apart from what I just mentioned. I'll show you around anyway and show you what it looks like around here. So there's a pathway over there. I don't know where that takes you, by the way. I don't know if it takes you somewhere great or whatever. Okay, look how old it looks all around here, like you can just tell looking at the brickwork. So it's just up here, Tricketts Park. So I've never been here, like I say, so I don't know where to start looking. So it's a small area, so it shouldn't take long. Right, this is it here. So it's a memorial park, this originally. So this is it. This ground was presented by the firm of St Henry Trickett and their work people as a memorial to the men who gave their lives during the European War 1914 to 1919. Which is so when you come in you see that, which I mentioned before about Henry Trickett. So it says here, memory of those from this community who have given their lives in conflict around the world. So let's see if we can find the air raid tunnels. I've got no idea till I start looking, by the way. So it's obviously not this way. I've come the wrong way, I think. What's that up there? There we are. This is the entrance to one of them. It's been bricked up now. But obviously this would have been an entrance. You'd obviously go in there. I don't know if it would go up or down, but it would be hard to find because it's quite overgrown, so that's another one there. That's looking a bit promising. Might be able to get in there. Tried to best to brick up that. Let me have a look. Let me have a look around actually. Might be able to get in that one. Where do these steps take you? Or just to some residents? Look, you can tell, like, obviously the raid shelter must have been for these residents here, maybe. It's like spider webs and all sorts. I need my torch for this. So I've actually just ordered a new torch. £1 and a penny. I've got to wait for it to come. It's in the sale, on the TikTok sale. But I've had this torch, the XMT6, since I started my channel. It's never really failed me, but I could get overthrown here with a new torch. So we'll see when it comes. And for £1 and a penny, you can't grumble. There used to be a bar in Rochdale called 101s, and it's where you could get a drink for £1 and a penny. Any drink. Anyway, so look at this. Now can I fit in there? I think that can. Sorry, spiders. Now am I going to be able to get out? I don't know. Right, so going into confined spaces is always risky, and you've got to know the risks. Like, I knew in this certain area that there were no gases due to the size of the hole, but yeah, I wanted to just mention that in my channel, that obviously going into confined spaces always comes with a risk. We're going to have to get in there, aren't we? How the fuck do you get in here? Right, 1 minute. I need hands free to get in here. No, I can't go in that way. Let's go in this way. Fucking hell, it's hard to get in here. Fucking hell. Right, I have to put the night vision on. Let's have a look around. Fucking spider webs. I don't fancy leaving my bag out there. Let's see how far they go on for. Oh, it's fucking... It's bricked off. Oh, fuck me. Oh no, they're not. Can only go on for a bit. This is it, really. To this point here where it gets bricked up. To the other side. Well, we'll try and find that in a minute. That's been done recently, that. Let's try the box. I don't think there's going to be anything down here because last time I've done air raid shelters, you don't get voices. Anyone on this frequency want to communicate? I'm sure that was a piece of dust that fucking flew in front of the camera then. So this is a replay of what I thought was dust, but when I look at it on the replay, it can't be because it moves the way it moves. And it comes on command as well, which is weird. So there it goes. Look at it. I don't think that's dust, if you ask me. So we'll rule out dust. Anyway, we'll carry on with the video. I'm sure that was a piece of dust that fucking flew in front of the camera then. That goes nowhere really. That's been bricked up as well. That's it really. obviously someone's forced a gap so you can get in. It's not easy to get in, like, but that's obviously been bricked up too. I don't know how I'm gonna get out actually. Spooky tunnels. I'm getting nothing really apart from a bit of magnetism back there, so is it, you know, I don't think there's anything like haunted or anything. I was hoping to get something from the past, maybe some noises. Obviously not. This isn't the first time this has happened, this. So it's not the first time this has happened where I come into an air raid shelter and I don't really get much, so it is what it is. You wouldn't expect people to have died in these anyway. So I'll try and get way out now. So I'm going to try and get out now. There wasn't really much to it. I knew this was going to be a short video anyway, so but I just wanted to try and see if these tunnels were still accessible, which they are. I won't really call them tunnels, but there's not really much to it. You know, it's not really worth. I wouldn't have thought coming down here. I wanted to see how far they went, and just to try and extract like tell some of the history really of Rossendale's history from when from obviously this is where you come if the bombs were dropping in World War One, not World War Two, because I think I would have thought this was like a World War One bunker. Nothing, just quite basic really. I can't really tell much about it apart from this passageway, which I would have thought, you'd go down there and then take a right. Anyway, I can only assume, so I'm only assuming. Anyway, we'll get out of this tunnel now because it's quite hard to get in and out really. So we'll put the camera there, and you can watch me struggle getting out. Help! Get me out! Fucking spiders galore. Fuck knows how I'm getting out of this. I feel like that bit of Ace Ventura where he's coming out the fucking hippo's arse. I don't know if you've ever seen that, Ace Ventura 2, where he's trying to disguise himself as a hippo. Anyway, he ends up trying to have to climb out the hippo's arse, but it's not really a hippo. Anyway, I don't know if you've ever seen that. I'll try and put a clip of it in this video. So, anyway.
Come on, girls. Quiet. Look, take a look.
Oh, look! The mother rhino is giving birth! Mommy!
First attempt failed. Really, I could do with getting legs out first, but let's try again. Oh, my shoulder that can't get out. That's fucking failed, hasn't it? My shoulder keeps catching on that fucking, I can't get out. Can't believe I'm stuck in this fucking hole. My fucking head. Oh, fucking hell. I like exertion trying to get out of this one. Oh shit. Fuck me. Right, so I think that's most accessible pit. I was told there was 3 points, but there's only 2 I can find. So that's the bricked up, I think the bricked up, was it? No, because there was a gap in the cement. So they've obviously bricked up them 2. So there should be another one further down here, right? So I must have walked down here maybe 150 yard, maybe at tops. Here it is, look. Right, that's it, yeah. Must be, because there should be a gap there. There's the other one. Yeah. So these are like the more or less, these would have been the entrances for salvation, I guess. And I think that's more or less all I can show you, really. I don't know if that goes on. I don't think it does. But yeah, it's obviously 1 entrance, 2, maybe an entrance and an exit, I'm not sure. A lot of it's boarded up now, bricked up now, sorry. So that's the remains of Rossendales history. Heading away off the main road. So not a long video, but sometimes these videos are best because it's just short and sweet. You know, you go in, do your thing, and it's over quite quickly. We've had videos before that go on because there's like lots to show you, really. But I had to show this part of Rossendales history, really. Anyway, I'm going to end the video now, and that's it. Peace for me. See you soon.